Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Google My Business to n8n. So let's get started. Firstly, go to n8n and log into your account. And once you've logged in, click on this create workflow to create a new workflow. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, now to start a new workflow, click on the plus icon which is on your top right here. So click on it. And then here in the search bar, just search Google Business. Type in Google Business and select this Google Business profile. So select it, click on actions here, and then select what you want to do with the business profile. So for example, like create post. So click on create post. Okay, so select it, and then here you got to select your credentials. So you can click on create new credential and then link your Google account here. So you just have to do that, link it. And then once that's done, next you got to select the resource. So what do you want to do, whether it's a post or a review. So what do you want to do with the profile? And then the operations, you can choose whether you want to create something or delete a post. So for example, like create, you can select create. And then account, you can choose from your list or from your name. So what the account is. And then the locations also, you can just choose from the list. And then once that's done, the post type, you can choose whether standard, event, or offers, or whatever it is. So I'll leave it as standard. And then you can write a summary for your post. And then once that's done, all you have to do is click on execute step. You'll get back to this screen here. So now this has been connected. You can click on execute workflow in order to test this. And that's basically pretty much it is.